for apple to big and red. B for ball to bounce the head. C for cat to soft and cute. D for dog if it plays the flute. Sing and learn A to Z. Phonics fun for you and me. Clap your hands, jump around. Let's make the ABC sound. E for elephant, touch stomps so loud. F for fish, duck swims so proud. G for goat, horse eats all day. H for horse, sucker runs away. Sing and learn A to Z. Phonics fun for you and me. Clap your hands, jump around. Let's make the ABC sound. I for ice, for cold and sweet. J for jam, good to eat. K for kite, for fly so high. L for lion, or hear him cry. M for monkey, or swings in trees. N for nest, home with ease. O for orange, good to see and round. P for parrot, makes a sound. Q for queen, wears a crown. R for rabbit, jumps around. S for sun, shining bright. T for train, the fast in sight. U for umbrella, keeps wings us dry. B for violin, so and play it high. O for watch, to tick and tock. X for xylophone, music rocks.